In this lecture, we will learn about ohmic conduct. We know that Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Here R is the resistance of the ohmic conduct, then I is the conductivity. So here the ohmic conduct resistance is very low. At the same time, conductivity should be large. And ohmic conduct is a non-rectifying conduct which obeys Ohm's law. This is the principle behind it. If you see that explanation, the before conduct, let us consider a metal of Fermi energy EFM. EF is the Fermi energy. Here we will use EFM. That means a metal of Fermi energy. Similarly, N-type semiconductor of Fermi energy, we can denote it by EFS, which we can see when they are separated by a distance D. So just we are taken N-type semiconductor and then metal separated by distance D. Then the Fermi energy EFM of the metal lies above that of the Fermi energy of the semiconductor EFS. After contact, now a metal and N-type semiconductor made to have contact with each other. Then the energy band of N-type semiconductor bend towards near the contact. So the magnitude of band bending and its extension into the semiconductor is very small. There is a virtually no potential barrier between metal and a semiconductor, and the resistivity becomes very low, almost zero. The result, there is virtually no potential barrier between the metal and then semiconductor. So resistivity becomes very low or even a zero. Therefore, the electron can flow freely through the contact and the current increases at the ohmic contact. Example, Schottky diode is a very best example which behaves as a ohmic contact if impurity concentration is very high.